This is Lorie, your Pampered Chef, and I'm going to show you today how to use one of my favorite products, our little cut and seal. This is our cut and seal, and it makes those little sandwiches, those uncrustables. So today I'm going to show you how to do an entire loaf of bread, peanut butter and jelly. I'm also going to do a little chocolate and jelly spread for Lauren, our videographer, because she's peanut free. And then after that, I'm going to show you another thing to do with your leftovers. So the first thing you do is you get your big loaf of soft bread, and then you get your peanut butter out. So I'm going to just scoop out a little scoop of peanut butter. You don't want to use a whole bunch, just about a tablespoon or so. And I'm just going to give it a little spread in the center. So Lauren, can you show them how I did that? And then I'm going to top it with a little bit of jelly, not a whole bunch, just a little jelly like that. And notice how I did not spread it all the way out, all over the bread. That is because this part needs to stick to itself. So then I put the bread over the top, and then I put this over the top. And press down. And then pull off the bread. See how there's no peanut butter and jelly in that? And then just pop it out. And voila, there you go. You have a perfect little Uncrustable. And then you take your sandwich bag, stick it in here, and freeze it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an entire loaf of bread. All done. Lauren can show them, we made 10 sandwiches. We've got our 4 chocolate and strawberry sandwiches. And then we've got our 6 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So, pretty nice. And we did that actually in about 10 minutes and saved ourselves a fortune. Now these can be put into the freezer and pulled out as needed. And I was gonna let Parker try one out. So Parker, here, why don't you try our damaged one? There's one that was a little extra. Take a bite, you're welcome. And tell us what you think. Is it good? Does it taste good? Could you please? Does it taste good? All right, thanks so much. Next video, I'm going to show you how to make croutons.